My name is Brenda Keller, and I'd like to welcome you to the Microsoft Excel Quick Start course. If you're new to Excel or haven't used it in a while and need a refresher, this course is for you. With short, focused videos, you'll be able to quickly get through the course's content, and you'll learn all of Excel's key features. By the end of the course, you'll be able to navigate the program, and you'll have the Excel skills that you see in most job postings. Now, Excel is an extensive program, but you don't need to learn it all. Most people only learn a fraction of its features, and I'll show you step by step how to use the most important ones. In the course, we'll look at navigating Excel, entering and formatting data, writing formulas and using some of Excel's built-in functions, converting data to tables, sorting and filtering data, using multiple worksheets, preparing and printing data, building pivot tables, creating charts, and using Excel's VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. If you have Excel, feel free to follow along using the included practice files. There's a zip file in the resource folder of this lecture that contains all the practice files and PDF versions of all the presentations in the course. You can also find these files in the resources folder of the lecture they're related to. I've included beginning and ending practice files. You can use the beginning file as a starting point if you're following along with me, and you can use the ending file to see how the file should look at the end of the course section. When you open an Excel document that you've downloaded from the internet, Excel will open it in protected view. In order to use the file, just click the Enable Editing button you see in the warning message. This course was created on a Windows 10 PC using Excel for Microsoft 365. If you're using a Mac or an older version of Excel, you may have to follow different steps to get the same results that I'm getting. So why should you learn Excel from me? Well, I've been using spreadsheets since before Excel even existed, and I've been using Excel pretty much since it came out in 1985. As a trainer, I've taught many people how to use Excel, and I've created many projects using Excel myself, probably hundreds of projects. So basically what I'm trying to say is I've been using Excel for a very long time, and I'm excited to show you how to use it. If you have any questions as you're working through the course, just post them in the Q&A section for that lecture. I'll get back to you with an answer as soon as possible, usually within 24 hours. And if you see a question that you can answer, go for it. The best way to learn a new skill is to teach it. When you're done with the course, I'd love it if you leave a review. Your reviews help me to improve the course and give potential students more information about it. And if you have any suggestions for updates or additions to the course, just send me a message. I hope you get a lot out of this course and you feel more confident using Excel because of it. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's get started.